Hello everyone, my name is Marvin. Welcome to my channel for maths and physics, but now I'm concentrating on maths to do exponents and surds. Revision grade 10 to 12. So okay, before we begin, here is a code for you guys. So I advise you to start by trying to solve the problem before I give you the solution. So okay, they said solve for x in the following equation. We have instruction here. We're given instruction to simplify our answer as a simplified fraction. So okay, now we need to start with simplifying 2 to the power 2x plus 2. That one is the same as 2 to the power 2x. 2 to the power 2 minus what? 2 to the power 2x is equals to what? 24. So okay, now we need to do what? We need to take out the common factor. Common factor, which is 2 to the power x. So the remaining one is 2 to the power 2 minus 1 is equals to 24. I hope you are following, guys. So okay, now we're going to do what? Add the numbers inside the brackets. Don't forget both mass. So the number inside the brackets is 2 to the power 2, which is 4 minus 1, which is 3. It's equals to 24. So now we need to do what? Divide. Why? Because we want the variable 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 2x to be in one side. So it's going to be 2 to the power 2x, 2x is equals to 24 divided by 3 is 8. And 8, we can represent 8 as what? 2 to the power 3. I hope you are following. So now I need to do what? I need to equate the exponent since we have the same base. So it's going to be 2x is equals to 3. So now we need to divide 2x by 2, both sides. So it's going to be x is equals to what? 3 to the power 2. I hope you are following, guys. So okay, 3 to the power 2. So let's go to do equation 2. Equation 2, we need to do what? We need to take negative 4 to the other side. It's negative 4, that one is not 4. We need to take negative 4 to the other side. So in order to take negative 4 to the other side, we need to add 4 both sides. So we're going to say 1 to 1 plus 4 is equals to 5 to the power c. Then okay, here I already added a plus 4, so there's no need for me to write negative 4 plus 4, so we know that one is 0. So okay, now we need to do what? Add 1 to 1 and 4, which is going to give us 1 to 5. It's equals to what? It's equals to 5 to the power what? C. So okay, now we need to do what? We need to make 1 to 5 to have 5 base. So okay, in order to do this, there's a method that you need to use. Okay, another method, we know that we need base 5. So it's to say 5 to the power 1 is 5. 5 to the power 2 is what? Is 25. 5 to the power 3 is what? Is 125. So meaning 5 to the power 3 is the one that is working here. To the power what? To the power c. So since we have the same base, we need to equate the exponent. Hence our c value is what? Is 3. You can put 3 back to this equation. You will see that it satisfies the equation. Left side is equal to right side. So okay, let's do the last one. Here we're going to simplify. So okay, first thing we need to do what? We need to know that 16 can be represented as what? As 4 to the power 2. 4 to the power 2. So that 2, we're going to multiply it by what? By b. So okay, minus what? Same as 4. 4 we can represent 4 as 2 to the power what? 2. and we have k, multiply it by k is 2k. Okay, denominator, okay, let's leave it like that since we have like a same base everyone. So let's just rewrite the denominator as 4 to the power b minus 2 to the power k. So okay, you need to know something. The numerator is in the form of perfect square, so we can represent the numerator like this. Okay, first thing we need to say 4 to the power b. You'll see why I say 4 to the power b, even this side. So we know that since the base is the same, we need to do what? We need to add the exponent, which is going back to what? To 4 to the power 2b. So okay, perfect square, you know that is negative and what? And positive. So same with what? With this one. So it's going to be 2 to the power what? K. And this side is going to be what? 2 to the power k. Sorry, 2 to the power k. So okay, let's put the numerator inside the brackets, which is going to be 4 p minus 2 to the power k. So okay, now we have this one and this one is the same, so we can cancel it out and we are left with what? We are left with this one. So okay, but this is not the final answer because there they said simplify. You can see that you can still simplify 4. So you can simplify 4 to be 2 to the power what? 2. But since we have b is what? 2b plus what? Oh sorry, down plus what? 2 to the power k. So this is the simplified answer for this problem. So I hope you understand this, and yeah, see you next time. Thank you for watching.